Welcome back to the Caledonia Schools Tech Department's Foxbright tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss how to add a new page. Add a new page called Class Expectations. In the menu name field, type Class Expectations. This will autofill the rest of the fields in the Common Settings area. I'm just going to add a few keywords to the Keywords field to help find it later. You can leave this field blank if you wish. These meta tags and search only assist with searchability on the district website. If you wish, you may edit these settings later once you've gotten more comfortable with Foxbright. Now, I'd recommend leaving all other page settings the same and saving the page. Now we're back to My Page Tree. You can see the Class Expectations page has been added to your page tree. And if we click to edit your newly created page, you can see that a link to the page has been added on the right side. Please note that these page links will only show up on the page when the page layout is set to Profile. This is the default page layout. Now let's create a redirect page. To keep it simple, I will create a page that redirects to a Google search window. Let's call this page Google Search, like we did in the last video. The destination will be www.google.com. Make sure that you've selected Yes for Redirect Page. Then if you want the page to open in a new window, you can select Yes here. I will have No selected for this tutorial. If your redirect settings look good, hit Save. Make sure that you have the HTTP protocol in the destination bar, otherwise you will run into this error currently shown. So, the destination should read as http://www.google.com. Let's see what it all looks like on the page. See, the Google search link has been added, and if we look at it on the site and click on it, we are taken to a Google search bar. That's how a redirect page works. That's how you add pages to Foxbright. Stay tuned for our next video on the basics of editing a page.